Welcome back to another episode of Kupuna in the Park. This is our second edition of Origami with master origami maker Duane Fujiwara. Today you'll be playing with money, making an accordion fold to learn how to make butterflies.
Hi everyone, I'm Duane Fujiwara. We're going to do a little bit more origami, but this time using dollar bills. So for this dollar bill, we're going to be folding in half this way, and this is my landmark. I'm going to do an accordion fold. Accordion fold, we're going to go back and forth. So I'm going to fold it like this, and I try to make it as small as I can. I'm going to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to do the rest of the dollar bill with the accordion fold, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, now once I have it folded like this, I'm going to fold this in half so I can find out where the middle is. So this is the middle, and what I'll do is I'll put a bunch of these together and I'll tie them together. So this is a sample I've used with construction paper. If you have the size of a dollar bill and you do the accordion fold and you tie them together like this, you can make like a dollar bill lei. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do one more thing with the dollar bills. This is a butterfly, and for the butterfly we need two pieces. So the first piece is an accordion fold that I showed you earlier on how to do the lei. So you fold one piece with the accordion fold. The next piece, you get a next dollar, and you fold the corner in like this, and you fold this corner in. Okay. Then I'm going to fold this in half so I have a landmark. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an accordion fold over here. And I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to continue doing the accordion fold on this side of the dollar bill. Okay, so now I'm going to fold this in half so I know where the middle is. So I have these two halves, two pieces of the dollar bills. And what I would do is I would connect these two pieces together. I'm using a pipe cleaner. I would tie the middle and make a little antennas, and you would have a butterfly.